You guys remember the rice water craze? Was it last year or is it still a thing? Have you guys used rice water on your hair before? Or have you thought about using it? In today's video, which is a deep conditioner hunt video, I'll be trying the ORS Olive Oil Max Moisture Super Softening Deep Treatment Conditioner infused with rice water and electrolytes for supercharged hydration and growth. A mouthful, ORS. We get it. If you weren't into the tedious process of making your own rice water deep treatment type of product, maybe this product will help. If you're new to my deep conditioner hunt series, these are deep conditioners that I have never tried before and I'm trying it for the first time in front of you guys.
From you wake up every morning, use a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, what's up, what's up? Let's get straight into the claims because people be lying in these streets, not around these streets though. They did something very unique and special on the packaging to me. I don't think I've ever seen this done before. They listed all their claims out. It claims to restore softness and smooths, seals in hydration and enhances moisture retention, nourishes to improve elasticity and strength, delivers super slip detangling, protects against breakage, revitalize to promote healthy hair. They gave you this in list form and I love the packaging, by the way. Green isn't my favorite color, but let's take my hair down. My hair has been shampooed, only shampooed. Can y'all see me on the hair? Hey. So the smell isn't too strong. It's giving me light perfumey, but not too perfumey. I can't tell you what it smells like. The smell is subtle. The color is light green. Is it a blue greenish color? Oh my gosh, it's thick. It's hella thick. Creamy, but thick. Let's just put that on. We're gonna work in sections as usual. So let me section off my hair real quick. Spritz the hair with water. Get the hair damp again. Work the water in by finger detangling. I'm excited to see how this works on my hair. So let's just get to application. As I told you guys, it's quite thick. I'm gonna start with this amount. Rub that in my hands and apply. For the first impression, it went on moisturizing. So I started at the end. My hair does need some more water. I'm gonna work my way up to the roots. Get a generous amount again. Work that in. So it is going on moisturizing, as I said. It's just the roots, right? Which is expected. But I am going to break this down into a smaller section and work my way from there. I like the smell. The smell isn't too strong, but I might take that back. Smells fresh and clean. So there is some good slip. I can already feel the strengthening properties because it's not making my hair very soft. Not the most slip, but detangling is easy. Because you guys see, I'm not struggling at all with applying the product. See how smooth my hair is finger detangling? One thing though, I do feel like it's not penetrating into my hair as yet. So you're wondering if, well, were you wondering if I've used the rice water treatment on my hair before, or how do I really feel about it? Well, I've tried it about once or twice just to see what the hype was about. However, it's not something that you have to do in order to see hair growth. Your hair is growing regardless, unless you have some sort of health issue. However, if you want to add rice water into your hair growth routines, well, you can do what you want to do, but you can just use a deep conditioner. Ask yourself, is doing certain hair practices sustainable for you? Do you or do you not want to complicate your natural hair journey? Do you like using or making your own DIY products? At the end of the day, do you boo? But rice water is not something that you have to do for hair growth. During the application process, I feel like it's sitting on my hair a little bit, so it's not as hydrating on application, and that's probably because of the texture of the product. It probably is going to need some time to work into my hair. I have different textures throughout my hair, so this texture right here, girl, it's not the easiest for finger detangling. I feel like I'm kind of ripping at my hair. Woo! Let's see how application goes for this texture of my hair. Products do respond differently sometimes in certain textures or certain parts of my hair. Now let's see how this works on this texture. Oh no, I'm getting just sitting on top of my hair type of vibe the more I apply, no matter how much water I apply. We'll see. The front of my hair is tender, but ooh, you're good, babe. I'll call you when I'm done. Ooh. This side is done, and for some products time will tell, because when the product soaks into the hair and the heat penetrates into the hair, ooh, sometimes you just get a different feeling versus on application, but we'll see. So let me apply the rest to the other side of my hair. We're gonna see what the direction says on how long we should leave it in. Let's do this side real quick. Application is done. Let's see how much I used. Oh guys, this is a lot of product in here. It's 20 ounces and I barely, well, not say barely, I used like a quarter of it. It says you can leave in for 5 minutes, or for deep penetrating treatment you can cover hair with plastic cap and apply moderate heat for up to 30 minutes. So you guys know we're going to heat cap with it. Hey Siri, why every time I come on a video you always trying to play me? Anyway guys, I'm gonna leave this on my head for about, let's say 20 minutes. And I'm gonna just manually set it because Siri's not listening to me. We'll test the claims when I get back. Hair is rinsed out. Wait, let's see what it looks like. Feels good. Hair is soft. You guys can see the curls. Hair feels moisturized. Hair feels strong. Let's test the claims real quick. Restores softness and smooth. Yeah, my hair is soft and smooth. Yeah. Seals in intense hydration and enhances moisture retention. Hydrated, yes, but my hair can be a lot more hydrated, especially when I was rinsing it out. I still didn't feel the Hair is definitely strong, and I really did feel that when I was rinsing out my hair. It didn't just feel extremely soft, I felt some strength as well. When I detangled, I didn't get the most slip that I've ever gotten from a deep conditioner, but I did have some good slip. I won't know if it protects against breakage from one use. I'll have to use it continuously to see that. I mean, with that claim, I just feel that's a claim that's put out there to let you know if your hair is moisturized and strong, then of course your hair won't break as much. And revitalizes to promote healthy hair. Yes, my hair does feel revitalized. It's a pretty decent deep conditioner. I got moisture and strength. I feel like I got a lot of strength though from this versus the moisture. It does feel good overall, and I feel like this is a deep conditioner I'll have to use again to see how I really feel about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.